Welcome back to science class. This is about how to do your unit organizer and take the pre-check for forces of motion. Once you've filled in your unit organizer, you can move to the pre-check. Before you take the pre-check, take a deep breath in and breathe out. This is not a test. This is a way to see how much you know about physics before we start learning about physics. So the questions and prompts for the pre-check can be found in Google Slides, and you can get there by clicking through to pre-check. So your instructions: answer the pre-check questions to the best of your abilities, and write your answers at the end of this slide, and write any corrections you might need to make. So I've already taken the test here and I've gotten some answers filled in, but if I got any of my answers wrong in the pre-check, then I could go back and check them again to see what I would need to write next to them. To get to the pre-check, go to the next slide. Number 1, what refers to a change in position? A, motion, B, speed, C, distance, or D, inertia. I'm thinking it's A. So when I pre-check, I'm just going to write A, and then move on until I've done all the pre-check questions. After the pre-check questions, which there's 2 pages of, you'll see that the next slide is a bunch of answers to the pre-check. For this assignment, don't click and look at the answers until you've at least attempted to answer them yourselves using your prior knowledge. Again, this is a pre-check, meaning it's checking to see what you know about physics before we start getting into it too heavily, so that you can either give yourself a pat on the back or realize that this is a fresh subject for you. If you have any questions or need help with figuring out how the slides work on Google or on Canvas, you can always email me. If something doesn't work for submitting your work in Canvas, email me your work as well there, and I'll be happy to help you.